What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. So glad you could hang out with me today, right here on the channel. Y'all, we got lots of content coming for you. Real simplified for the DIY nail kind of girls out there, which I am definitely one of them. And I'm glad to be one of them because I don't like spending no coins, spending a whole lot of money on doing no nails. So I do it myself. Today, y'all, our featured product is this Beetles gel polish. This is the Perfect 6 gel polish kit right on Amazon. That's right, it's Amazon Prime. It costs you about $19.99. Stock, it's in stock now, but a lot of this nail stuff is really selling pretty fast. Again, this shows that it's a 6-pack gel nail polish kit, and it features the French white gel as well. This is the Soak Off UV LED Lamp Nail Gel Kit, and it does require a gel base and top coat, which of course you would have to buy it separately. I do have one of my favorite ones that I will show in a future video for you that I use, but for now let's just talk about this nail. It's really like a starter kit or a starter gift box, you can call it, again on Amazon. And boom, you get 6 popular trendy color gel polishes. And again, they do require a top and base coat, which you would have to buy separately. It's a toxin-free formula, easy and safe to apply. This is a long-lasting gel polish. I've bought these time and time again. They will stay on 21 days plus with perfect shine. Now, for anyone who's familiar with gel polish, now from time to time they do get a little bit tacky. So if they feel thick or tacky, all you have to do is place them in hot water for about 1 to 2 minutes and remove from the water and shake them well, and that'll restore them quickly, okay? Really quickly. That's all you have to do. I will probably put that in a separate video for those that are new to gel polishes so that they will know and say, oh no, this is bad, this has gone bad. No. So I have me a little paper here. I'm actually going to do these swatches for y'all to see what they look like. So this is the first shade here. This is 419. Get that right. There we go. That's 419. So assuming that that is the French white, which is great for doing you some French nails. Let's get her done. Of course, the white is not going to show up on the white, but we will do our best to let you see. And there it is right there. The next one is 420. And unfortunately, I'm not able to really identify what the actual name of them are other than the colors. And that's that one. And this one is 421. I may not be doing real good on my swatches, y'all, but mind you, we're going to get her in there. So I think that might be great, like the combination of 421 and 419 for a French. And then, oh, this pink, 422. That's pretty. And then to the glitters, this one is 423. That's pretty, and I'll show you all of them when I complete here. And then we have 424. This is, the other one was like a silver, and this one looks like a gold. So they're more like for topping because it's really not giving me a whole like complete swatch there. So let's move this back and we'll bring in our gel lamp and go ahead and cure these. Okay, beautiful. That's what they're looking like right now. Bring in the little lamp. Well, we'll turn it this way because the cord just don't want to go any other direction. And we'll slide them in here and let's cure for 60 seconds. Now again, you're looking at 6 elegant, gorgeous French manicure gel nail polishes. White pink glitter gel polish, one of the popular and trendy colors. The French nail manicure is the classic look we all know, and these are appropriate for any occasion, such as weddings or even casual, so I love that. All right, it says it should be done. Let's make sure. Well, it says to cure 90 to 60 seconds, so let's see if it's still kind of tacky. It's a little bit tacky, so we'll go ahead and do it. Well, it says 90 to 120 seconds. So let's go. One more round, and then we should be completed. 90 to 120 seconds. And then you also have to, when you apply the base coat, you cure. The nail polish, you cure. Or gel polish, you cure. The top coat, you cure. So that's how you do it. Let's see what we feel like now. Okay, that's better. That's better. That's better. There we go. Those are your gel colors for this particular kit. Let me move the lamp. And there you go. These are all of the polishes that come in the Beetles gel polish kit. Again, this is the French white kit, the one that has the French white in it. So beautiful, beautiful, lovely little kit. Great for someone who's just now starting their nail polish collection with gel. Great gift for them. This would have been great for Mother's Day, but we missed that. But this is it. And beautiful babes, I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to actually do some type of nails with these. I'm not sure what yet. I might try the French if I decide to cut my nails down. So we shall see. And most of my videos will be all about natural nails. I have natural nails, no tips. These are mine. And you know, we got to do it for the natural nail girls. All right. So that's it. I will see y'all on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.